Hi, I'm Seija. I'm a new mom and a design lover. If you find yourself in the same boat, here are a few tips to baby-proofing your home without sacrificing style. Give in. Let the main room where the family hangs out be a safe place for baby. You can make a few simple changes and you'll have a lot less headache for the next 2 to 3 years. Clear the way for safe table toppers. Put the candles and vases away for now and get plush or felt decor. The options are endless, adorable, and worry-free. It's time to put that cool glass or sharp coffee table in storage and opt for soft climbable ottomans. Buy the washable rug you keep seeing advertised and opt for the ones that come with the foam underneath, and I even added an extra layer of 3/4 inch felt so baby can fall all day and you don't have to worry, plus it's great on mom and dad's needs. Keep the tools you need at arm's reach. I have a basket with sliders on it under the sofa that's full of diapers, creams, nail clippers, and snot suckers. Tuck in soft baskets everywhere, felt or cotton rope. Baby can safely get out their own toys and cleanup is a flash. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Handmade for more videos just like this.